Hello everyone! Today I will share the secret to cook 5 nutritious and safe nut milk for your whole family to enjoy, especially the kids. Let's begin! Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
The first recipe is purple sweet potato and almond milk, very nutritious and can support to beautify the skin and prevent cancer. You will need 60 gram almonds, 120 gram of purple sweet potato, 1 liter of water, 60 gram sugar and some pandan leaves. Soak the almonds overnight or boil for about 10 minutes and then peel off the skin. Peel and cut the purple sweet potato into cubes and then steam. Combine both in the blender and blend well. And then transfer to a pot. Add rock sugar and a pinch of salt and then the pandan leaves for the aroma. Bring to a boil and then turn off the heat and leave to cool. Transfer to the bottles. Next is pumpkin milk with cinnamon scent, a great complimentary drink for your baby to gain weight. You will need 700 gram pumpkin, 1 liter water, 60 gram rock sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Peel the pumpkin and cut into cubes, then steam until soft and then transfer into the blender with water. And then add sugar or sweetened condensed milk and bring to a boil. Then add cinnamon powder and turn off the heat. You can keep this in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days. Next, let's make some green milk with pandan leaves and mung beans. You will need 100 gram of whole mung bean, 1 liter water, 15 pandan leaves, and 80 gram of rock sugar. Soak the mung bean in water for about 4 to 8 hours until soft, and then cut the pandan leaves into thin strips. Put in the blender with water and blend well. Strain out the liquid and then transfer to a pot. Add rock sugar and a pinch of salt, then bring to a boil. Mung beans is a remedy food with a really great cooling effect, very effective to improve health and prevent blood diseases and obesity. For lotus seed milk, you will need 150 gram of fresh lotus seeds, 1 liter of water, 60 gram sugar and 10 pandan leaves. Combine the lotus seeds in the blender with water and blend well, and then pour into a filter bag and squeeze out the water. Then discard the leftovers. Add sugar and bring to a boil with the pandan leaves. Drinking lotus seed milk every day can help you to have a deeper sleep and reduce stress and fatigue. It also has the effect of cooling down the body and anti-inflammatory, as well as skin beautifying and maintaining health natural beauty. Another kind of milk is also very good for the skin and for the heart, that is black sesame and peanut milk. You will need 100 gram of black sesame seeds, 100 gram of roasted peanuts, 50 gram of raw peanuts, 1 liter of water and 60 gram sugar, as well as some pandan leaves or vanilla. Rinse the black sesame seeds under water and roast for a nice aroma. Then add 2 types of roasted peanuts and black sesame into a blender with water. Strain and remove the residues and then add sugar and bring to a boil. Black sesame contains lots of omega-3, vitamin E, which promotes brain development and reduce kidney stones, suitable for both pregnant mothers and children. Can you believe that all of these 5 brightly colored milks are 100% natural without any food coloring? Hard to believe if you didn't make it yourself, right? I hope you liked today's recipes and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!